Stuck at home while you're worrying sick about your car? I know what you can do. Follow me. Staying at home during MCO brings meaning that your car will remain inactive for a longer period of time. So, in order to ensure your car remains in a good condition, here are 4 things that you can do during this lockdown. The first one is to start your engine weekly. It is just advisable for you to just start your engine once in a week and keep it running for around 10 minutes. It is to ensure your battery from going flat. On top of that, it is also to make sure the fluid keeps running and the moving parts well lubricated. The second one is to check your tyre pressure. Since it will be so unpleasant to have a flat tyre once you're free to step outside, just make sure to just check and maintain your tyre pressure during this lockdown. If you do not have any necessary tools to do your own check at home, a good idea would be to just drop by at the nearest petrol station, re-examine and refill your tyre pressure while you're out doing a supply run. Another useful tip, while you at the petrol station, make sure to check the pressure on your spare tyre too. Not to overstate lah, however, there are some people who likes to keep their car like a mobile storage. You need to understand that any trash left behind could potentially attract unwanted pests. Since it's MCO, why not just wash your car and give your interior a good cleaning? It could possibly kill your dull time at home too. And don't forget to sanitize, yeah? We do not want any upcoming virus outbreak. And lastly, if you do not have any option to park your car indoor, it is best for you to lift up your windshield wiper. This is because too much of sunlight could harden up your wiper rubber, making it less effective from keeping your view during driving. There you have it. 4 tips that you can do to maintain your car in a good condition during this lockdown. For more information, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our social media channel. Till then, have a nice day and stay safe. Bye!